Alright, I'm going to make a video here to show you what I'm dealing with here. Let's open the Nexar app. I want to make a video and save a clip. Let's go to full drives. Just so I'm showing you here, the camera isn't turned on. The camera isn't turned on. So let's find full drive. One of these is the ones I want to save. Let's go with April 15th. Okay, there. See? Look at this. We have video. We have video. It's showing video. I can click on this. Video. We can watch video. Okay. Further down. Hey, look, more video. That's awesome. Look, more video. Oh, that's awesome. That's pretty cool. It's cool. It recorded it on the camera. Look, more video. It's on there. It's on there somewhere. It's on there somewhere. Okay, how about this? We go to create clip. Create clip. Hey, look. There they are. Look, okay. The video's there. Video. Hey, this looks pretty cool. I want to save one of these clips. Okay. So, save clip. Let's save it. Save it. What's it going to say there? Saving clip. Failed to create clip. We tried. We gave it our heave-ho, but nope, no save clip for you there. Dogs darn it. Let's go back. Let's go back. Full drive. Full drive. We'll go back to that. April 15th. Here we are. No, it's not doing that. Okay, here we are. Okay, create clip. There's video. See if we can read that. Bring phone closer to Wi-Fi cam. It's there. I don't know what the deal is. It's got the timeline down there where it says you can save clips. The camera isn't on. I didn't have it plugged in. Watch this. This is truly amazing. Okay. Plugged it in. Watch this. Can we watch the two of them together? Can we watch these two work magic? Okay, now it's trying to get the signal. It's trying to get the signal. Maybe once it's closer. That's about as close to it as you can get, right? I don't see how it could be much closer. Okay, we got the signal. It's got the signal. Oh, we lost everything! It lost it! It lost it! When it connected to the phone, it lost it! That is awesome. That is awesome. This is what I'm dealing with. Try to save a clip. I dare you. Try to save a clip. Try to save a clip. You'll pull your hair out. I hope you're not in some sort of an accident where a casualty and they just pulled out in front of you and then they're like, hey, no, yeah, the truck driver was high on crack. And I'm like, oh, no, I got the clip. I got the clip. I don't want to go to jail for manslaughter. Let me go retrieve the clip. Good luck with that. You're going to jail for manslaughter.